kids! Do you want to know the light speed from Earth to other planets? Great! I will show you! Let's begin with Jupiter. Light speed from Earth to Jupiter is 34 minutes. I think it's an average travel. Next is Saturn. Light speed from Earth to Saturn is 1 hour. Huh? 1 hour? It's too long. Let's go to Mars. Light speed from Earth to Mars is 4 minutes. 4 minutes is way too fast. Now it's time for Uranus. Light speed from Earth to Uranus is 2 hours and 31 minutes. I cannot travel that long without light. Time for Venus. The light speed from Earth to Venus is 2 minutes. Now you're the fastest. Great. Let's go to Neptune. The light speed from Earth to Neptune is 4 hours. He's too slow like a turtle. The last is Mercury. The light speed from Earth to Mercury is 5 minutes. Well done, Mercury. That's it for now. Hope you have learned light speed from Earth to different planets in the solar system. My name is Kukatroy. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
The sounds of planets. Can you hear that? That's the sound of Mercury. Let's hear the sound of Venus. Venus. Let's hear how different our Earth sounds. That's how life on Earth sounds. Isn't it amazing? Here's how Mars sounds. As they say, it's a habitable planet. Now here's Jupiter. The gas giant sound. You want to hear how loud Saturn sounds? See how loud it is? Here's Uranus. Hear that breezy sound? Let's hear how windy Neptune is. Quite windy, huh?
Kukatroy TV. Subscribe. See you soon. Bye-bye.